Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to handle data. In our previous video, we learn about what is a bar chart, what is data, and what is tally. In this lesson, we will learn how one type of data can be converted into another type of data. For example, the picture shown here is showing a tally. Now, we will learn how to convert the tally in the form of the table. So let's see how we will do that. Let me draw a table here. For example, I have the first one is car. The type of the transport is car, and the numbers seen are shown in the form of the tally. So if I have to convert it into form of the table, and in the table, what we do, we simply we write the numbers instead of the tallies. So I will write for that in the form of the table. So for the car, if I will write the number for the car, the type of the transport is car. And if I have to write the number for the car, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 33. So the number of cars are 33. And let's count for the bicycle. The number of bicycles are 5 and 2, 7. So total number of bicycles are 7. Number of motorcycles, the total number of motorcycles are 5 and 4, 9. So I can say the total number of motorcycles I will convert into the form of table. Here I have table. So motorcycle are 9. Now next are vans. If you look at the number of vans, there are 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 1, 16. So total number of vans are 16. Then we have buses. So let's see for the bus. The total number of buses are 6, because if we look at the tally, 5 and 1, 6. So the buses are 6. And at the end we have lorry. Total number of lorries are only 3, because if we look at the tally, it's showing only 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3. So total number of lorries are 3. So this is how we convert a tally in the form of the table. In the same way, we can convert it in the form of the bar chart. Let's see. Now to make a bar chart for this table, first I will just write the short word for each type of transport, so that will save my space here. For example, for car I will use C. For car I will use the short C. For bicycle I will use the short BI. For motorcycle I will use the short M. For the van I will use V, and for the buses I will only use B, and for the lorry I will use L. Keep in mind the difference between bicycle and buses. For the bicycle I will use BI, and for the buses in this bar chart I will use B. Now the first thing is I will just draw the type of the transport horizontally, and the number of buses I will show vertically. After drawing that, now I just have to draw the bar chart for each of them. And now to draw the bar chart, first I will choose a suitable scale, so uh, each gap should be equal for the numbers. Like the maximum number that I have here is 33, and the minimum number that I have here is 3. So we can just select our own scale here and draw a bar chart. So let's say I will say I'm starting from 0. This is 0. This one is 5. So between 0 and 5 I will have the 5 lines. These 5 lines I can say this is like number 1, 2, 3, total this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one will be 10. Then I can say here I have 15, here 20, here 30, and here 35. Now to draw the bar chart, the one bar for the cars, which I give the symbol C, the total number of the cars are 33. It means I will draw here a bar whose height is equal to 33. So 33 will be approximately here I can say this is 31, 32 and 33. So 33 will be here. So I will draw a bar from here which will give me an approximate of 33. So this is going to be the bar here. As I'm using I will just draw this one here. Here I have this bar. Now it depends on you what size of the bar you want to give, but try to make the size of each bar equal. Not in the height but in the width, the size of each bar should be equal, and then the gap between them should also be equal. So this will be the bar for the car. Now bicycle, there are 7 bicycles, so I will only draw till 7. After 5, 6 and 7, so the bicycle will be approximately till this one. So this is what it is going to be, the size of this bar. This will be a bar for the bicycles. For motorcycles, the number for the motorcycle are 9. So I will keep the height of the motorcycle bar till 9, and you can just draw that. I'm trying to keep the gap equal, but as using a graphic tab, it's becoming a little hard to keep it exactly same. I'm not using any scale, but when the students will be drawing the bar chart, they can use a scale so they can keep the gap equal. For the van, the total numbers are 16. So here we have 15, so a little up, one step above than that will give me 16. So I can say this is going to be approximately 16. So this will be the bar chart for the vans. Now the buses, total number of the buses are 6. So the bar chart for the buses will be this one. And the total number of the lorry are only 3, so we can say that this will be for the lorry. Now looking at the bar chart, the reading of the data become more easy. One can easily can differentiate which type of the transport is having more numbers and which type of the transport is having less numbers. If we compare these, we can say that the transport C, yani car, is having more number than any other type of the transport. And at the second number, most usually transport are vans, which are having equal to 16. This one is 33. For the bicycle, the numbers are 7. For the motorcycle, the numbers are 9. For the vans, the numbers are 16. And for the buses, the number are 6. And for the lorries, the numbers are 3. So this is how we will convert a table in the form of a bar chart. In the same way, if we have the bar chart, we can convert it into the form of table or in the form of tally.